Trips me out every single time. My freaking lens is dirty. Hopefully that's better. Yo, what is going on today, guys? I just got off work and we're taking the car to Vaughan. A good friend of mine got a shop out there. He does detailing and everything for, you know, some pretty nice cars. So we're going to be taking the RS4 to Vaughan to the shop to do a paint correction, ceramic coating, tint, interior detail, shampoo, conditioning of the leather. You know, this car is an 07, so this car really needs it. It looks like it's probably the first like major clean this car's probably had. So let's go for a ride, and when we get there, I'll show you guys what the car looks like right now. But before we go, got the gas light on. I'm all the way down to empty, pretty much. I've not been easy driving this car, just been enjoying it too much, and that is not going to change once I get an exhaust, which this car really needs. That was such a crazy drive. I wish I had my GoPro. My brother, he has the A70 there. We were just friggin' bombing down the highway to get here in time before they close here at Autoboss. This angle is so sick. You can see how wide this car comes from the factory, with the wide front fenders and the rear quarter panel. Like, this car just needs some spacers and it would have some wicked road presence. And an exhaust, So just dropping off the car now, gonna pick it up in 2 days. I'm gonna give you guys a walk around to show you what's happening. So definitely just gonna do a paint correction and ceramic coating. If you guys don't know what ceramic coating, I'll show you guys at the end what that final product looks like. Tinting the fronts, as you can see, the back and the sides and the rear hatch in the back. They're tinted pretty nice, but these front seats, or these front windows are not. Also getting the interior detailed and cleaned up completely. I'm gonna clean up the grime from the import and the previous owner and whatever. Oh, it looks crazy in this tint.
Why you keep me in the dark? No light. I've been lucid in my dreams, no time. Why you always keep me up in the night? I've been hearing all the screams in my mind. It's a race against time with a question. I've been seeing all the signs and no guessing. It's a race against time with no question. It's a race against time with no question. Swinging left to right, hit 'em with aggression. Run inside, you gon' run inside. In my mind, yeah, you in my mind. Run inside, you gon' run inside. In my mind, yeah, you in my mind. Switch up, run up, bands in the left hand. Ran with the distance, did it with discretion. Way up, stay up, trance. I've been moving, planned how I do it. Chance, I don't take. Why you keep me in the dark? No light. I've been lucid in my dreams, no time. Why you always keep me up in the night? I've been hearing all the screams. It's a race against time with no question. I've been seeing all the signs and no guessing. It's a race against time with no question. It's a race against time with no question. Swinging left to right, hit 'em with aggression.
$2,000 years later.
So I waited a while. It's probably been a month. You can see it's dark out, and pulled the RS4 into the coin wash. Gonna give you guys a little walk around, show you guys how the car looks right now. Car is super dirty. I have not washed this in a while. I wanted to show you guys how good the ceramic coating is, and you guys can see they did a really good job. The 5% tint is dark as hell. Like, when you're inside the car, it's pretty much like completely nighttime. It is hard to see some things at times. I'm getting used to it still, but 5% tint and this car is really good. The one thing I am really happy about, and I think everyone should do this if they got an older car, is the paint correction and the ceramic coat. The paint looks really nice. It looks a lot better than when I got it shipped over from Calgary. and from the last owner. The paint correction made this car's paint really pop. There's a lot of flake you can see in the light here in this paint, and the ceramic coat makes this thing glossy for about 2 years. I think this coating is a 2-year coating, and when this car is in the sun, it's absolutely insane. So we'll be doing a quick wash so I can show you guys how good the paint correction and ceramic coating came out, and I want to show you guys this is really something you guys need to do. So it's really hard to tell in camera, but I can tell in real life. That was just like a 5-minute wash. That was barely any effort involved. I didn't even put a mitt on this, but this car looks so much cleaner than it did before, and you guys can see the water beading. Also, got my first ever personalized plate, RS4 Avant. It's super weird. It's a kind of cheesy plate, but I know it's a special car. If you guys know what an RS4 Avant is and what it means to North America, you'll know why this plate is special. And if not, I think you probably have some research to do. So again, massive shout out to Autoboss. These guys did a really good job with the car. I have no doubt that the finish on this car is gonna be protected and preserved for the next couple of years. And for all of you with good eyes, you might have already noticed something that I've added to the car that's gonna be coming in a video to the channel soon. Filming a lot. I'm just filming a lot with this car all at once. I'm not sure the schedule of what's gonna go up to the channel, but there's something on the car right now. There's more to come. So hopefully you guys stay tuned. If you guys enjoy the video, drop a like, drop a comment, let me know what you guys think. And if you guys enjoy the video and you guys want to see more, hit that subscribe button. It's free. It helps out the channel, helps me grow, helps content reach more people. And let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see on the channel in the future with the RS4 or the BRZ. And hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Catch you guys next time. Peace out.